this is how you can make money with EagleWeb e-commerce in Kenya. So in this presentation, I'm gonna share with you how you can make money with EagleWeb e-commerce. So these are legit company. As you can see, it's registered by the Companies Act of Kenya. So for you to get started with EagleWeb, I'll share with you the presentation and the link through the link in my description. Make sure you check that after this video. So there are 5 ways you can make money with EagleWeb e-commerce. The first way is affiliate marketing. You have network marketing, online gaming, freelancing, online writing, and transcription. Let's start with academic writing. So this is where you write articles for the Europeans, people abroad, and start making money after writing those essays or articles. You can see these are proof of payment. For people, you are paid 300 shillings per page. So if you are writing 2 pages, that is 2 times 300 shillings, and that is 600 shillings. So this include academic assignments, essay writing, research papers, psychology papers, physiology papers, and you can see it's 300 shillings per page. So if you can write 10 pages, that is 3,000 Kenya shillings. So that's one way. That's academic writing. Another way is through affiliate marketing. You earn up to 11% commission for selling any product through the EagleWeb e-commerce platform. So affiliate marketing is where you refer people to purchase a product in order for you to earn a commission. You also have gaming, where you can do things like a theater, for example, casinos, and play games such as card games, roulette, dice game, keno, coin flip. So you will be staking your money, any amount, and you start playing to earn income. This is gambling, guys. So if you don't like gambling, to do other ways like academic writing or affiliate marketing or network marketing. So with network marketing, it's almost the same with affiliate marketing, but this one, it goes deeper into levels. So when you refer someone to join EagleWeb through any of the packages, you earn some commission. Same case, the person you refer someone else. Yes, let's say you refer Brian, and Brian will be a level 1. You will earn 2,000 Kenya shillings. Brian's refer John. That will be your level 2. You earn 500 shillings. John refer Mary. That is your level 3. You earn 500 shillings. It goes down up to your level 6. You can see this is where you have used the power of 5. Let's say you refer 5 people. So each of the 5 people joins your network and you earn 2,000 by each of them. And that is 10. Let's say those 5 refer 5. Those are 25 people in your level 2. You see, and you earn 500 shillings from each of them. This trickle down up to level 6 as you continue to build your team in the diamond package. So with network marketing, we have 2 packages, the smaller one and the bigger one, diamond package and the golden package. So diamond package comes with online writing, which is not available in the gold package. So make sure that you read more through the link in the description, and you can also reach out to me. So with gold package, this is a smaller package. So you will earn in your level 1, 1,200 shillings, level 2, 400, level 3, 300, and level 5 and 4 is 200 shillings, and level 6 is 100 bob. So to join the gold package, this one has transcription. It is 3,500, and the diamond package is 5,000 Kenya shillings, which has online writing in it. So but let's say you join with the gold package, you can upgrade to the diamond package and still earn commission from people who upgrade to that package. So network marketing is a profession that is being taught in University of Illinois in Chicago. And some of the people who have done network marketing include Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Kiyosaki, Tim Sales, and even Anthony Robbins. These are people who recommend this way of making money because it includes personal development. We also have transcription. So this is for listening to audio recordings and converting spoken content into written text. Simple like that. This one is available in both packages, and you will start making money when you are able to do this task. So to get started, these are the step-by-step that you need to follow when it comes to transcription. And how to get started, you just need an invitation link where you will register, then choose a package that you want to join with, either the 3,500, or the 5,000. So if you want transcription, it's available in the gold package, and if you want online writing, it's available in the diamond package. Commission I will draw every Thursday before midnight, and the following day on Friday you get your commission through M-Pesa. So these are people who have been able to achieve a lot through Eagle Web e-commerce. This is Emmanuel Monday with ECX5 there, courtesy of Eagle Web. You can see these are testimonials of people. So Eagle Web was founded in 2021, just after COVID, and people are making money. You can check out these testimonials, and these are true stories of people who are making money with Eagle Web e-commerce. So if you want to get started, just check out the link in the description and be ready to learn, because we are here to support you in all manner of ways. So welcome on board and be ready to learn. And if you have any question, just WhatsApp me through the link in my description.